Well, good morning from the beautiful city of New York. I feel like I'm doing Good Morning America, but I am not. This is Sean from SeanKBeauty. This was a requested video from one of my subscribers who's faithful to my channel. Hello, beautiful Lorraine. I am delivering on my promise. I promised her yesterday that I would do this video, and I'm about to go to work, so it kind of fell into my routine, and that is how to put on lashes in 2020. So I'm going to walk you through this. I'm going to put on my Candelight Luxe lashes. This is my lash line, and I am going to wear a dramatic lash. However, dramatic lashes do not need to take away from the look or from your features. It should enhance it. I do a lot of work behind sketching these and then having them made. I wanted something super lightweight that was not going to irritate my eyes, that I can actually wear all day and feel comfortable in them, and they were easy to apply. So Lorraine, this would be that. I will also walk you through some tips, tricks, and hacks on how to put on your lashes in 2020, especially with the holidays coming up. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is take the lashes out of the packet, Lorraine, and then we're going to hold them in the middle, whether you're using fingers or tweezers. We want to apply this close to the lash lid, your lash lid, just to make sure that the lashes are not going to be too long. This is a winged lash, so it's graduated, shorter hairs in the middle and then longer hairs on the end. So you want to cut on the end if it was too long, but these fit perfectly. And you bring them kind of close to the tear duct, but not on the tear duct. Now I'm using Kiss Lash Glue that's black, and I'm going to wait for this to get tacky, and that is the key. You definitely want your lashes to be with the glue on for a little bit, just so that you can manipulate it easier as opposed to going right on with them, or they're going to move around. Now, prepping my lashes, I'm using the Chanel Volume. You can use whatever mascara you have. And this just creates a nice base for your lashes to sit on. So either you can use a lash curler and then mascara and then put on the lashes, or you can just do what I did, just put on mascara and then put on the lashes. I apply the lashes into the middle of my eye, and then I clamp them to my natural lash line. And I'm looking down. You definitely want to look down in a mirror, Lorraine, when you're putting on your lashes. And again, just making sure that you tack it on really securely onto your natural lash line. Now, what I do afterwards is I use a blow dryer on low heat to just help that lash glue to really adhere to my natural lash line. That way it doesn't move around all day. You can use a liner, but I'm not going to use one in this video to conceal because I brought this really close to my lash line. Okay, beautiful Lorraine, the joy of YouTube. I am actually here at work. I'm going to walk you through just some more tips. When you are taking off your lashes, you want clean fingers to pull that glue off, and then you're going to use either a makeup remover, a disinfectant solution, a little bit of water, disinfectant soap, and then get a Q-tip and wipe the rib of the lash, because that's literally what's sitting on the lid, just to make sure that you're sanitizing your lashes in between uses. The one thing you don't want to do, and I know people do this, is put mascara on mink lashes. Mink lashes are super duper expensive. Using mascara definitely compromises the shelf life and the integrity of a really good mink lash. So I would definitely say, go ahead, and if you want more drama, get a dramatic lash. If you want more density, go for a 3D as opposed to a 2D lash. And then another key tip that I love to do with my lashes is that I use alcohol. 70% isopropyl alcohol is really great for disinfecting your lashes. So I would, pull off the glue, and then with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip, I would wipe it on the rib of my lashes, and that way I'm ready to use it the next day. And that's just because we want to avoid styes and all of that stuff. I'm going to show you, Lorraine, in this video, and everybody else, some of the luxury YouTubers In this video, so it's gonna be more like a runway slideshow of all of these beautiful luxury YouTubers wearing the different style lashes from Chandelier Luxe Lashes, and you can make your best informed decision what style you like. You don't necessarily have to go with my lashes, but at least this will give you some idea. We've got Kinky Sweat in this slideshow, Kelsee Briana Jai, Vikeejeah, Mo Makeup, Mo Beauty, Mindy from Another MK, a couple of ladies, including my sister, Shequera. For those that use mascara, I would definitely say use a makeup remover to take that mascara off your lashes, but I don't recommend it. I think if you want more drama, just go after a nice 3D lash. Look for lashes too, Lorraine, if you're trying to really showcase your eyeshadow. I would go for the ones that are like my Lady Sarah's, I think it's Opulence. That's kind of choppy. They go long and then short, and then long and then short. It gives the visible eye something to look past, which is they see the beauty of the lashes, but they're still able to see your eyeshadow. Your lashes are to be sophisticated, classy, and enhance your look. They're not to take away from your look. They're not to overpower the face where people are just looking at your lashes and they're not seeing the beauty of your actual features. Lashes, especially in the luxury world, should be really sophisticated, classy, and sexy. These Chandelier Luxe lashes are light. They are, a lot of them are wispies, but some are dramatic, some are very natural. And what I do love is that they're easy to apply, even if you don't know how to put on lashes. And I'll show you CvMakeuplover, Carolyn, was one that shared with me. She didn't really know how to put on lashes, but she loves lashes. And friends, she found it so easy to put these lashes on, and she is wearing the Lady Grace, and OMG, if she doesn't look stunning in this photo.